Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 10 inch or 30 by 22 centimetre canvas which has black paint on it, and I need to check that camera because it looks like it's on a lean. And is it in the slot? I think you are safe, but it looks precarious. Alright, so what I would like to do here, I've got just a little bit of some leftover paints, and so I thought I might just do a dirty cut pour, and I'll need a knife I think to get some of these out. I've told you there's only a little bit of each one, so I'm just going to put them into, let me see what you're looking at. Yes, you can sort of see, so I'll just move over here a bit further. Should be able to see that. And some purple, and I'll try to get 2 layers. You never know your luck, I could be in the... I'm hoping these colours will look alright together. I might put a squirt of black in from time to time. Just a little bit, and I know what I don't have in there. I don't have any cell maker. Oh, no. Goodness gracious. Easy to open packets, don't you love them? Right, that should be enough. And so I got the purple and the pink. Come on out, you come pink. Maybe a splurge of white. Right. Did I put purple in? I don't know. Blue. Some blue. Should be nice. It's a pretty blue. And I know I've got gold. So I start again and put the rest of these colours in. That one, some purple. This is the last of these paints, and I've done, I think, 3 pours before this with the same one, so I just thought, well, I don't want to waste even just these tiny little bits that are left. I may as well just do a nice, cute little painting and you know, finish them off. Right, there's those. Now a little bit of black. Bit of a squirt of white. Oops. Put in the last of these. Oh, we've got blue, pink and gold. Alright. I can do this. No barking. Yeah, right. I'll do anything you say. Hey! She has to have the last say every time. I heard you and I asked you not to do that. And the gold, this is the last. white on the top here. If I can get in here, yeah. I don't want any more black on there. Okay, so this is going to be fun. Alright, I can do this. Gotcha. Now, are you still scented? Ugh. Not really. Alright, I can move you over. And while that is just taking a little minute to settle, I'll get my pin. $1 needle. I might put some black around this so that it can sort of slide a bit, because it seems to like to do that sort of thing. Okay. Maybe I should have put some white on there too. That wouldn't be too bad, would it? If I can get any out. I have marbles in there. It helps to mix the paint, but then when the paint gets low, like now, oh goodness, the marbles block the little hole. So here we go. Right. Yeah, that is pretty. Come over this way and get rid of those white blotches. Okay. Well, we got one pretty one here. Right, so what I think I might do is torch it because I can see air bubbles galore. That is really pretty. Alright, so I'm going to bring it over this corner first, I think, and just run some of that off, and then, oh, maybe up that one, no, over this one. I think it's the further away. Okay, and then I'm going to bring him up to that corner there. And then over to this. Or maybe just that way a little bit. and then down. And I think I might just leave it at that because, hey, that's really pretty. So what I do need though is some corner black, like for the corners. Put that there like that. Just finishes that one off. Leave that one black. I like the spots here. And the lace. Oh, yep. I'm not going to fiddle, or maybe a little bit here. What's wrong with this bit? Nothing now. Okay. I'll just wipe my hands off because I think they need to be wiped, and I'll torch it and see if we've got any more lace or cells. But that's really pretty. It's like a cosmic wave. In fact, I think I'll call it that when you see it around this. So let me turn it around so while I'm torching it you can have a look at it. And this is what I'm looking at, and why I think it should be called cosmic wave. What do you think? Good name? I think it is. There we go. So I'll just torch it now, and what do you think? How pretty is that, eh? Pretty good. Yeah, definitely a cosmic wave. But we'll come down and I'll show you if I can get you untangled here. Right. Oh, well, it was this way, wasn't it? As I turned it around. Okay, so there you are. We'll come over this first corner and some cells and a few little lines. I actually like the light ring lines that you get in these paintings, and my lace, which I think is rather nice. It seems to be growing a little bit too, which is nice. Some cells and more lace. Some like smoky bits. And it's like a wave onto the sand. See that? I like that. And then down into this pretty little corner. So yeah, that's really, really nice. So come across to Australia Art Dreaming and join us if you want. And thank you very much for watching. Please give this video the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.